Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 screen stays completely black, you might be facing a motherboard issue. This can happen due to various reasons, such as power surges or component failures. If left unattended, it can lead to more extensive damage, potentially rendering your device inoperable. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement motherboard. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged before starting. Begin by gently prying open the casing using the plastic spudger. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, locate the motherboard. It's the large, green circuit board connected to the screen. To extract it, carefully disconnect the cables attached to it. Take note of where each cable connects, as you'll need to reconnect them later. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the motherboard. Apply gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, lift the motherboard out of its compartment. Replace it with the new motherboard by reversing the steps. First, secure it with screws, then reconnect the cables in their respective positions. Be mindful not to damage any surrounding components while doing this. Once everything is in place, carefully press the casing back together until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to check if the screen lights up. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, ensure you're using a surge protector and avoid exposing your Thermomix to extreme temperatures or moisture. Regularly check for updates from the manufacturer as well. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.